Gotta start taking care of myself and giving a shit. Spent too much of my life just fucking thinking about me dad and how he'd let me down and abandon me and shit. But I've really fucking let myself go. Won a court case today, but you know, I got rid of one of my problems. Gotta get rid of some more. So, because I got myself off the hook from getting in trouble and whatnot, I decided to spend the money I would have spent on an interlock system on a vehicle or whatever, you know, to just fucking buy myself a nice new phone. This is it. That's how you're looking at me through the new phone. So, this is where I'm at now. Fucking bald and fat. Useless. It's the 14th of April 2018 and we are here at Centennial Park. I'm just going to go over to Royal Randwick to drop off this megaphone. Okay guys, this is bright sunshine. This is how other people see you in everyday life. Your mirror at home has no chance of competing with what other people can see. You say, go slow, I fall behind. The second hand unwinds. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Too much? Fix it, get some sleep, take sleeping tablets if you need to. Okay, so now I'm in a ladies' toilets here. The 7th of April 2018. 40 years old. Just started an acting class. It's made me feel more awake and alive, but I'm surrounded by some young, hot 19-year-old girls, and there's no chance I stand a chance with them. Don't know why. Gotta start taking care of myself and giving a shit. I haven't ridden a bike since I've been wearing a hairpiece this year. I just stopped wearing it. The helmet, I mean. Because shit, what's gonna happen? The wind's bad enough, but then that glue pressing up like Vegemite on toast through the Vita wheat. It's an Australian thing. So I come in there one day, we've already discussed the makeup and shit in class. Seems a bit gay and so on to fucking become good looking. But yeah, fuck. Gay is normal now, right? You're supposed to fucking look good these days. You don't have to look like a fucking balding fat cunt with your eyebrows sticking out like a fucking rooftop over the front of your fucking face. So I reckon it's time to fucking sort my shit out. It's like worms of glue coming up through the hairpiece, being squished down by the helmet. And then you get that whole pushing back and fro and squishing it down over your hair, messing it up. There'll be no second chances. This is it. Whatever my hair looks like now, it's going to be squished by a helmet. I'll get out and I'll go. I'll just have to trust. There's not going to be a mirror in between me taking off my helmet and walking in and saying, "Hey, how are you? Nice to see you again."